Ms. Jyoti, for giving your valuable insights. Your insights and summary is very valuable for us and it's beneficial for us also. So nice to see you here today.
Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you, Riddhi ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much. And I hope now scheduling will add value. आप अपने टास्क को रूटीन तौर पे आप बना पाएंगे और आप अपना लिस्ट टू डू लिस्ट बेटर बना पाएंगे एंड यू नो यू नॉट हैव ऑल दोस थिंग्स जो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है वो भी लिस्ट में ना हो, वो ध्यान रखना।
थैंक यू सो मच ज्योति।
Okay, thank you everyone for a patient listening. But I want each one of you to come up with better to-do lists. Okay, to-do list ये नहीं है कि दुनिया भर का raw material आपने डाल के लिख दिया वो list में. You have to filter and you have to use that kind of filtration to make it very very useful for yourself. क्योंकि after all अगर आपने अपनी time को value नहीं किया तो कोई और वो time value करके ले लेगा आपसे. Simple सी बात है.
Yeah, it was very nice to learn something different. Basically, we always work on, and we first of all thanks to you, Jyoti ma'am, that you have given us such insights on how to manage the time and how the scheduling. We always do all this stuff, but we don't do it very greatly, or we don't do like this to-do list, or we don't prioritize, or we just do it like I'm writing all this stuff. I'm also doing Google calendaring, but the way you say that you means you do it Google calendaring, and then that your mantra that 50 is full, which I like greatly, that yes, I should do like that. What I do generally, I'm a software engineer, so in my case, if I have a task and until the task doesn't get complete, I don't get up. Until the task doesn't get complete, I don't get up. But sometimes it gets overhacked. If the errors are coming and it gets 4 hours, but the error doesn't get solved. But sometimes I have noticed that if after doing a 4 hours work, and if I take a 10-minute break and again I come to that task and that error gets solved. So that is what your 50 is school mantra that gives me a more insight that insight of going on to 4 hours, then I should, if it is not working, I should take a break of 10 minutes in between and do that work. So it was a good thing to learn that 50 school, which was a really good thing. And other than these, the methods which you suggested, that MIT method, we do Google calendaring, but we don't identify the MIT method, or we don't remove the unnecessary things which is not required. You said that you just cross it out the things which is not required. Other than thing, yes, sometimes reading is also important. Digitalizing, always taking a 10-minute break and digitalizing, you doing a WhatsApp and Insta is also not good thing. Yes, we can go to readings which are more insightful. In my case, it is, if I say, Medium. We have a Medium blog that means we have applications also which provides an insight to each and every particular field. So I think that would be a good insight to me also. And overall, I would like thanks to you for spending your valuable time for providing such insights to us. I would also like to thank to the Juno Moneta for giving such valuable insights from yourself and taking the giving a opportunity to learn something new other than our daily task. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So just like Bansari said, you know, it's when you're working on some coding or something and you know you spend hours together. So 50 is full is something that I learned from my senior. How I do it now day in and day out, and it's useful. So that's why I shared that mantra with all of you. So thank you if you liked it and if it resonated with your life and somewhere you could take it home. That's really nice.
Ma'am, it's wonderful. मैं शायद second time I'm listening you. Great, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और दो तीन चीज मैंने what I think कि when you are working in the lower level, means not what I'm defining means when you are executing you are too much, but when you are on top you are more free. That's what leaders do. और दूसरी चीज में मुझे क्या लगता है कि एवरी पर्सन कम से कम टाइम मैनेजमेंट के लिए अपने आप के लिए निकालना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है. व्हाट आई डू इन माय लाइफ प्रैक्टिकली आई एम डूइंग कि मैं अपने ऑफिस से घर आता हूँ, स्पेंड माय टाइम विद माय फैमिली, माय चाइल्ड, माय राइट, एंड जब मेरी फैमिली को हो जाते हैं तो आई सिट अकेला, मैं अकेला बैठता हूँ एंड आई डिजाइन द थिंग्स, मेरे को आगे क्या करना है, मैं 1 घंटा पूरा है उसको सोचता हूँ, नोट डाउन करता हूँ कि कल के दिन में उसको कैसे हम लेंगे, क्योंकि वो बेस्ट समय होता है, क्योंकि आप अकेले होते हैं, ना आप ऑफिस में होते हैं ना घर में होते हैं, राइट, आप पूरे अकेले होते हैं, सारा जजमेंट आप उस समय ले पाओगे, मुझे नहीं लगता और कोई टाइम आप ले पाओगे, वो टाइम जो सेट आपने गोल किया ना वो आप सुबह जाते हो और एग्जीक्यूट कर लेते हैं, वही मैंने देखा कि मैं सबसे ज्यादा अपनी करने वाला।
So, one thing that you mentioned, that people at the top are free and others are, are not free. ऐसा नहीं है. The people at the top are productive. The ones at the bottom are busy. That is the difference. That is the whole thing. Because वो focus अलग हो जाता है ना. वो focus अलग चीजों पे हो जाता है. And that is very important. वही चीज हमें अपनी लाइफ में लानी है. If we want to grow, we have to do that. Otherwise, we live ordinary lives.
मैम नॉर्मली मैंने 3-4-5 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम किया, मैंने क्या सीखा ना, जो लोग होते हैं ना वो क्या करते हैं ना, दे वांट कि सब काम मेरे पास ही रहे, वो बांटना नहीं चाहते, उनको क्या लगता है कि यार अगर मैं बांट दूंगा तो मेरी वो कैपेसिटी या क्वालिटी कम हो जाएगी, उसकी ज्यादा हो जाएगी ना। मेरे बॉस ने हम जब स्टार्टिंग किया था तो उन्होंने वो चीज बताई कि जब आपको आगे जाना है तो पीछे वाला काम को छोड़ते चले जाओ, तब आप आगे जाओ, क्योंकि बोझ लेके आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते।
So you have to, if you want to grow, you have to delegate. Absolutely right. Thank you, Rupesh, for that kind words. Nimesh has raised his hand, so let's listen from Nimesh. हाँ निमेश बोलिए ना।
मैंने सिर्फ 2 चीज सीखा है अभी इसमें से, ज्यादा तो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि do not concentrate on everything, just concentrate on productive things, not multitasking.
Correct.
अभी अच्छा लगा यही।
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो अब आगे से आप वही करना जो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है।